Easy Grip mountable TFTs are a latest innovation in display technology. These displays make it easy to install a mounted display without brackets, screws, or any additional hardware. Easy Grip technology is currently available on our popular 4.3-inch size TFTs. I'll show you what makes this such an impressive display. Our touchscreen displays normally use perimeter bonding to adhere to the touchscreen and cover glass. Perimeter bonding uses a high bond adhesive running along the perimeter of the display to stick the cover glass in place. Easy Grip displays use optical bonding, which fully glues the cover glass onto the display to provide better protection against shock and vibration. We designed these displays with no front bezel so they're able to sit flush in any application. The extended cover glass gives them a sleek, modern look. Easy Grip TFTs come standard with IPS screen technology. IPS delivers the widest viewing and most accurate colors, making these displays ideal for all lighting and viewing conditions. So why are they called Easy Grips? Easy Grip displays use 3M VHB adhesive that lets you mount your display anywhere. Watch how easy it is to securely mount this display. No extra hardware required. The extended cover glass and optical bonding provide reliable protection against heat, humidity, and vibration. See how the display still functions even when water is sprayed on the touchscreen. Now that you've seen these displays up close, let's recap the features. IPS screen with full viewing angle. High brightness LED backlight for sunlight readability. 800 by 480 high resolution. All new flush mounting system. Extended cover glass. VHB tape adhesive. Optically bonded capacitive touchscreen. Thanks for watching. Look out for more Easy Grip products to come.